We have 10 minus 3 and 8 plus 6 divided by 2. 10 minus 3 equals 7 and 8 plus 6 equals 14 divided by 2. Now 7 and 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And now here is multiply. 7 times 7 equals 49. But this is wrong. Why? Because first of all inside the parentheses, right? So now let's solve this again correctly. Follow order of operations, BODMAS or PEMDAS. Start with what's inside the parentheses. Inside 8 plus 6 divided by 2, right? So do division first. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3, right? So 10 minus 3 and 8 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 3, right? Now 10 minus 3 and 8 plus 3. So inside 8 plus 3, so 10 minus 3 and 8 plus 3 equals 11, right? Now here is multiply, so multiply first then minus. So 10 minus 3 times 11 equals 33. Now 10 minus 33 equals 23.